The first fans who ordered the villa furnitures online in 2024. Their villa furnitures has ready. Let's see what furnitures our fans choose. Seriously? Bentley style furnitures and the sofa and the lawn chair. And first, we check the sofa first, and the bed and the dining chair. This sofa is made of tough California black walnut material, which requires a masterful combination of craftsmanship to create such a stunning carving effect. And the surface is made of the top Napa leather. I dare to say that our family factories is the top in Foshan. And the other furniture factories, they can't reach this kind of technology level. What's more, this is the dining chairs. Its total is 8. And let's check the detail from this dining chairs. And you can see we also use the same black walnut materials, and we also use the full leather also. Details tells the everything, and you can check our materials. And our fans also choose a lot of long chairs, and you can see this kind of long chairs, and which is the Bentley style and the Cavalli style. It is very colorful. I love this style. Look at the TV cabinet, such as chocolate rich alcohol color. Even I sit on it or stand on it, it won't damage the furniture. Black walnut again. Here is the nightstand, also made of the black walnut. And our fans love black walnut. Even for the rich men who have the private jet, they use the black walnut to decorate the airplane's wall. As for the first floor, our fans choose the classical furnitures. Here is the sofa in the living room. You can see here is the round sofa, and we use the top fabric, and even you are naked on the sofa, it also will be very comfortable. It is very friendly to our skin. Here is the long chair, the classical long chair, and here is the dining chairs, as it also on process. And you can change the living room sofa, the details and the materials, and we use the solid wood and the sponge. For the classical sofa, we mainly use the fabric, and our fabric is the top. When we finish the package, and we will use the solid wood box to protect our furnitures. So you don't need to worry when finish the logistic, and the furnitures will be protected. Finally, most of the furniture has already finished the package. For our fans who want to order the furniture online, follow me, go to my homepage, click my bio link to contact us.